Okay, so here's a follow-up on the Star Trek NERF phaser. I went out and purchased some C cells. And there we go. We have lights, and the flashlight actually lights things up. There's Commander Riker over there. Riker approves of this flashlight. Yeah, and we'll have a look at the other side. Kill. And to make it go pew pew pew, though, it doesn't do it in this mode. You have to put it into combat mode. It still won't work if you pull the trigger, which is kind of annoying. You actually have to turn on the accelerator. Which is a little annoying. I wish it would go pew 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 without the accelerator, but it is what it is. So there you go. All in all, pretty funky. And I will definitely be painting this to make it look like a proper phaser rifle. Pretty much basically leaving the black and the green and making the white, silver, and the blue. I'm not sure. I'll have to do some research on that one. And I'll add some dry brush details on the Borgified parts. And there you have it. Cool. TTFN.